Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be going over adding tens. Before we get into the lesson, let's review what tens means. Tens refers to numbers 10 through 99. These numbers have a specific place value. For example, 72. This is my ones place and this is my tens place. If I look at my tens place, I know that I have 7 tens. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on our first example. We will practice adding tens. I have 3 tens plus 3 tens. Let's go ahead and count up so that I know how many tens I have total. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 tens plus 3 tens equals 6 tens. Okay, so now that we know 3 tens plus 3 tens equals 6 tens, let's look at what we have down here. I know that 3 tens is 30, right? 10, 20, 30. So I have 30 plus 30 equals 60. 6 tens equals 60. Let's go ahead and count to make sure we're correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Very good. For this example, I have 5 tens plus 2 tens equals how many tens total? Well, let's go ahead and count up. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 5 tens plus 2 tens equals 7. 7 tens total. That means that 50 plus 20 equals 70 because 7 tens is the same thing as 70, right? The 7 goes in the tens place. Here I have 7 tens plus 2 tens. Let's see how many tens we have in all by counting up. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 more gives me a total of 9 tens. That means that 70 plus 20 equals 90. You just put the 9 in the tens place to give you 90. 9 tens is the same thing as 90. Okay, ready? So we have 3 tens plus 1 10 equals how many tens total? Let's go ahead and count up. 3, 4. 3 tens plus 1 10 equals 4 tens. That means that 30 plus 10 equals 40. 4 tenths is the same thing as 40. Okay, ready for the word problem? It says, there are 20 students in Miss Ortiz's class. There are 20 students in Mrs. Alberto's class. How many students are there in all? Well, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and circle everything I already know. I know that there are how many students in Miss Ortiz's class? 20. So 20 students. How many students are in Mrs. Alberto's class? 20 as well. Now we will underline what we want to find out. We want to know how many students are there in all. And if you've seen our past videos, you already know that in all means to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add 20 plus 20. So I will go ahead and use my 10 rods to help me add 20 plus 20. So I have 20 for Miss Ortiz, 10, 20, and I have 20 for Miss Alberto. 10, 20. So why don't we go ahead and count by tens to find out our answer? 10, 20, 30, 40. That's right. 4 tens equals 40. There are 40 students total. Very good. Alright guys, that ends today's lesson on adding tens. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and working with tens. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!